Brand new users need to register an account with Discord. We recommend using an email. Existing users just need to press the plus sign. You then want to click join a server and paste your invite link, which you can be found via the link on our Instagram bio or directly on promofos.com. Accept the invite link and then you're in. This should be the first thing you see. If it's not, then click the menu at the top in the top left, click on Promofos and make sure you're in the how to join channel. From this channel, you want to click the link to get full access. This will redirect you to LaunchPass. Click join and then it's free to get started. Once you've signed up, look out for your activation code. Make sure you copy it properly. Go back to Discord, click on the top left menu and go to your messages and simply reply with your code, and that is it. If for whatever reason there is no message from LaunchPass, go back to Promofos and open the activate code channel, then click on LaunchPass here to try and message them that way. If that doesn't work, swipe right instead and click there to message that way. Full access is granted the second you send that code, at which point look out for your welcome email. It's going to show you how to update your phone settings so that you never miss an alert the second an agency shared promo work in your area.